Discovery and naming. Indium was discovered in 1863 by German chemists Ferdinand Reich and Hieronymus Theodor Richter while they were searching for thallium in zinc ores. Its name comes from the indigo blue line in its spectrum, which led to the name indium. 2. Physical properties. Indium is a very soft, silvery-white metal with a brilliant luster. It is so soft that it can be easily cut with a knife. It has a low melting point of 156.60 degrees Celsius, 313.88 degrees Fahrenheit, making it useful in low-melting alloys. 3. Occurrence. Indium is not found free in nature but occurs in trace amounts in various minerals and ores, most commonly in sphalerite, the primary ore of zinc. The production of indium is mainly a byproduct of zinc ore processing. 4. Applications. One of the most significant uses of indium is in the form of indium tin oxide, ITO, a transparent conductor used in touchscreens, flat panel displays, and solar panels. ITO's combination of electrical conductivity and optical transparency is unmatched by other materials. 5. Unique characteristics. Indium has several unusual physical and chemical characteristics. For example, it emits a high-pitched cry when bent, which is due to the deformation of its crystal structure. 6. Solder and alloys. Indium is used in low-temperature solders and alloys. An alloy of 76% gallium and 24% indium is liquid at room temperature, similar to mercury but non-toxic, making it useful in various thermal and electrical applications. 7. Recycling. Due to its scarcity and the limited availability of primary resources, recycling indium from end-of-life products and manufacturing residues is becoming increasingly important. The recycling processes are essential for sustainable supply for future applications. 8. Biological role. Indium does not have a biological role and is not considered essential for life. It is relatively non-toxic compared to other heavy metals but can pose health risks if ingested or inhaled in large amounts. 9. Market and rarity. Indium is considered a rare metal. The rarity, coupled with growing demand, especially for ITO in display technologies, has led to fluctuations in indium's price and concerns about long-term availability. 10. Research and development. Indium is involved in research into new alloys, compounds, and nanotechnology applications, including quantum dots and semiconductors. Its unique properties continue to make it a subject of scientific interest for potential new applications in electronics, photonics, and energy technologies. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.